CIIKO cia andu na makeria mbeu njithi kunyitwo migwate ni andu mataramenyekana no marekuirwo ni maabithaa borithi no ithiete na mbere na kuhanika matekumenyekana kuria maratwarwo thutha wa kunyitwo migwate. Makirekereria ndumiriri yao umuthi kiama kia mawakiri LSK nikihithoretie ati gukinyeria riu ni andu 50 aria mataramenyekana kuria mari thutha wao kunyitwo migwate magikuruhanio na ikundi itari cia githirikari iria irekuirwo gukorwo igitongoria mirurungano iria irathie na mbere ya kuregana na watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu.
Extrajudicial killings, incidences of police abductions, torture and being kept in communicado for several days are back like never before. Reports that we have received indicate that 50 young Kenyans have so far been abducted, including my very own personal assistant, Ernest Nyerere.
LSK ni moretie President William Ruto guthikiriria mateta ma muingi kuona nio mamucagurire oro undu na atongoria angi guku makiorota ikundi cia kimabũrũri cia kuruirira ihoto cia umundu ni gukorwo makirite thengia wa maundu maria marahanika guku bũrũri-ini na ihoto cia umundu kwagararwo.
We ask the president to remember that it is this youthful generation that gave him power, that put him where he is. Let us not kill our children. Let us not kill this generation. Message to the international community, who for a second week running remain mum, quiet and tight-lipped. Are you proud of what is happening in Kenya? Is this your game plan for Kenya as a NATO ally?
Ruhonge rwa magoti ni rukumithitie ciiko ici cia andu kunyitwo migwate makiuga ti kihoto kuona andu aya matiracoka gukinywo magoti-ini na mathitangwo na mahitia maria marakuruhanio namo. Ihinda-inĩ riu atongoria a ngwatanĩro ya Azimio ni mamenereirie ciiko ici makiuga aria maranyitwo mabatie kurekererio kuona ni ihoto ciao mararuirira.
That you must release Gabriel Oguda unconditionally and immediately, and all the others who have been arrested or actually kidnapped by the police,
because he cannot continue to maim and harass and intimidate young people who are crying out to him and telling him that the cost of living is unbearable and this finance bill is unacceptable.
Clearly, we can see a lot of arrogance around Parliament. We can see chest thumping of those who feel they want to show what government might is.
Miario no ni nyititwo baru ni ciama cia atongoria a makanitha a arutwo thiini wa universities na colleges makiuga kungikinya gutire mogaruruku megutabanio watho-ini uyu wa kigina icunjĩ-inĩ iria muingi uraregana nacio ubatie guteanirio kaimana.
We will say it can be amended, and if it cannot be amended, then let it be done away with it and then a new one comes in.
The executive must learn to listen to us, as well as the legislature also should do. We are calling out for our MPs. Yes, of course, you know they are leaders, but we are calling them to be representatives.
Hata sasa vijana wanapotoka nje, wanapopigania haki zao, ni tunaonyesha tu jambo moja kwa uwazi, ya kwamba tunajaribu kupigania demokrasia na ikuwe demokrasia kwa ukweli na utendakazi wa ukweli.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.